How to close your Capital One credit card. Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to close your Capital One credit card. So whether you're looking to consolidate your accounts or just don't need the card anymore, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. Before you close your credit card, make sure to pay off any outstanding balance. This is crucial because closing a card with a balance can negatively impact your credit score. If you have any rewards, points, or cashback accumulated on your Capital One card, make sure to redeem them before closing the account. Once the account is closed, you may lose access to those rewards. Next, you'll need to contact Capital One customer service to initiate the closure of your credit card. You can either call the number on the back of your card or use the customer service option in the Capital One application. When you reach a representative, you'll be asked to verify your identity, so be prepared to provide personal information such as your social security number and account details. Once your identity is verified, simply let the representative know that you want to close your credit card account. They may ask you for the reason why, but it's entirely up to you how much you share. After your request is processed, you should receive a confirmation that your account has been closed. It's a good idea to ask for written confirmation via email or through the mail for your records. And that's how you close your Capital One credit card. If this video is helpful, please give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching. Good luck with your financial journey.